Broken open.
Yeah, it's broken open.
There's a species right there called the carbon cushion. Not always in books because it's not charismatic, edible, or medicinal. And I have documented something like 367 different fungal species. And people who look at me aghast. Urban setting, 367 fungal species. And I then tell them this would be more than I would find in a similar old-growth forest in Vermont.
If this is about getting sketchy.
Glass snail there.
One.
Something.
Oh yeah, well.
And these are very common in the winter.
So in the winter,
at other times.
survive the single digit.
They're a millipede. It's a millipede, and they survive because they have a parka.
Nice. And you just are increasing the size?
I don't see any. Oh, you see.
And how?
Inflated.
So
What do the puffballs?
Eminently possible. It's just the fungus
It's almost everybody. I put it all together as one thing, maybe.